पीढ़ियों के प्रिय लेखक रस्किन बॉन्ड मंगलवार को 92 साल पूरे कर लेंगे। उत्तराखंड की राजधानी देहरादून में उससे पहले ही जश्न शुरू हो गया। ये शहर उनके जीवन और कहानियों के साथ गहराई से जुड़ा है। जन्मदिन से पहले दिग्गज कहानीकार ने अपनी नई पुस्तक ऑल टाइम फेवरेट फ्रेंडशिप स्टोरीज का विमोचन किया। ये मौका जन्मदिन से पहले गर्मजोशी भरा उत्सव था। छात्रों, शिक्षकों और प्रशंसकों के बीच रस्किन बॉन्ड ने घाटी और प्रकृति के साथ अपने गहरे जुड़ाव को याद किया। उन्होंने कहा कि ये उनके लेखन को प्रेरित करते रहे हैं। स्वास्थ्य कारणों से वे फिलहाल देहरादून में रह रहे हैं।
It's wonderful to be out here with young people, and it's after some time I'm with a lot of young people because I've been for several months now bedridden. Many of my stories were written here in Dehradun in the valley, and some were written in Delhi and some were written in London and wherever I moved about, because I've never stopped writing. But my love for the hills goes back to the time I was growing up, and I used to like going on treks and walks in the hills and getting to know nature and the animals and birds around me.
रस्किन बॉन्ड से उनके जन्मदिन से पहले मिलना छात्रों और शिक्षकों के लिए प्रेरक पल था। उन्होंने बताया कि रस्किन की कहानियां किस प्रकार पारंपरिक अकादमिक सीमाओं से परे जाकर उन्हें साहित्य में डूबने के लिए प्रेरित करती रही हैं।
Firstly, I want to wish Ruskin Bond a very happy birthday, and it's a very great moment for me that I got a chance to meet Ruskin Bond today. I also wanted to share something about his book, A Song of Many Rivers, which is such a nice book. This is the first book of Ruskin Bond I have ever read, and this was such an amazing book. It has mentioned many rivers of my own hometown, which I like the most. I am wishing him a very great birthday. I am very grateful to meet him on this special occasion. And I read a few stories written by him, like The Wilson's Bridge. They were sort of horror stories, and I really liked them. My brother, he doesn't wanted to read books, but when he read those, and he really liked it.
Since childhood, we have been reading his stories and motivating through his stories. So it was such a pleasure to be here and get motivated for the young readers, our students, so that they can also become good writers and readers when they grow up, and they can choose a different streamline other than sciences or commerce.
ऑल टाइम फेवरेट फ्रेंडशिप स्टोरीज किताब रस्किन बॉन्ड की नई पेशकश है। उन्होंने अपने जन्मदिन से पहले इसका विमोचन किया।
We've had this tradition. It's been a tradition to launch a book on Mr. Bond's birthday, and it's been a long cherished association. So I've known him for almost 20 years now, and in fact I first met him in Dehradun, and it's so fitting that today we are back here in Doon Valley once again to celebrate all-time favorite friendship stories. It's also fitting that we are doing a book on friendship tales, because I believe friendship is one theme, that is truly at the heart of everything that Mr. Bond has written and writes about.
ऑल टाइम फेवरेट फ्रेंडशिप स्टोरीज के कवर से प्रेरित केक काटते हुए रस्किन बॉन्ड ने उम्र बढ़ने पर हास्य के साथ अपनी सोच साझा की।
To tell you the truth, I don't mind being old. Because I'm still working, I'm still writing, apart from the fact that I have to start walking again and that I'm not seeing well enough to write, but now I dictate my stories. But old age has its compensations too. You have your memories, you can appreciate the world around you even more, because you've only got it for a short time. So time is limited. So you must make the use of it.
रस्किन बॉन्ड के जन्मदिन पर उत्सवों की गहमागहमी के बीच देहरादून महान लेखक को श्रद्धांजलि दे रहा है, जिनकी कहानियां और सादगी पीढ़ियों से दिलों में घर करती आ रही हैं।
आपके राज्य की खबरें, आपके शहर की खबरें सबसे पहले जानने के लिए देखते रहें अमर उजाला। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और पाएं हर अपडेट।